Hello and what's up guys, how are y'all doing? This is the third video of the 5-minute Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the wheels of a car. And as you can see, I already started a Photoshop and we get right into it. There's no intro this time, so we keep the video shorter. So we're gonna replace the stock McLaren 720S wheels with some nice ADV ones. So let's get to it. Here already loaded in the image. Normally you can do it by clicking on File and click Open. Stop, hold on. Guys, I made a mistake. Lately I changed some part of my computer hardware components, so I also had to reinstall Windows and all the other programs and software. And Open Broadcasting software, OBS, where I'm recording all these tutorials with, was of course reinstalled as well. So all the settings were gone. And the thing is that now all the pop-up screens or the drop-down menus disappeared in this tutorial. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you can still understand what I'm explaining. This tutorial is not too hard, so I hope you get it. If not, please comment down below and I'll make sure to record it new. But I just want to mention this, and I will of course make sure that this does not happen in the near future. Good luck. Open and you load in the image. And I'm now gonna drag and drop the image from the wheels into Photoshop. You can just select, go to the folder where the image is located, and you just drag and drop it into to Photoshop. So as you can see, it's the ADV1 wheels. Pretty nice looking. I don't know if the color would actually suit the car's color, but you know, it's just about the idea. Okay, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna place the lines, the rulers. I'm pulling from the side. If they're not on, you can go to View and go to Rulers, or press Ctrl or Command R and they will pop up. On the top, you can also drag them down, as you can see. And now we move the rulers to the edge, well, the extra guidance lines to the edge of the wheel. I'm gonna select the click and select and choose the elliptical marquee tool and move to the left top to the cross part and click the left mouse button and hold shift. Now we're gonna move with shift and hold it, and you go to the edge of the wheel. It's not really centered, I see. Depends on the rim you have chosen or the wheel you've chosen, and but it seems to be okay right here. Okay, so I let loose the mouse button and shift, and now I can use the cursor buttons to navigate my selection in any direction. So I want to have it a little bit more centered, like this, and I press Ctrl C in the layer and Ctrl V, and I see it opens up new layer 1 with the wheel, and we click here on the eye to remove the other layer, to hide the other layer. Now you can see we have a lot of white parts inside of the rim of the wheel, and now it's our turn to delete that. So what we're gonna do is select the Magic Wand tool and press on the white area. Almost done. Yep. And now we go to Refine Edge. Select the radius. Shift Edge. A little bit more, so delete more of that white. And press backspace. Looks very clean. Now we're gonna scale it down. Press Ctrl T or Command T, and you can move it around. And now press Shift and hold the mouse button on one of the corners and drag and hold it to get it a little smaller. Zoom in, Control or Command plus. move around by pressing spacebar, and we move it to the also, so these lines will line up, same as before with the rulers and with the guidelines. I mean, press the shift again. You can see the rim actually fits. The thing is though that the stock rim is still there. In this case we are gonna fill it up with just black, so just a circle ellipse tool where we open a new layer by clicking here on a new layer, or go to layer and press new layer, and we're gonna make a circle, a black circle behind the behind the rim. But normally that's not the way to do it. You make sure to find a nice brake calipers and brake disc, etc. So what we're gonna do right now to fill it more up is to use some brake disc and calipers from another car. And here is the brake disc from a Lexus. You can see it's carbon ceramic brake discs. It's very nice and very good material for brakes these days. We're gonna cut out this part and we put it behind the rims and change or delete the emblem of Lexus. So we use the pen tool for that and go around the edges. I've also shown and explained this in the previous tutorial, so make sure to check it out, and be back in a couple of seconds. Okay, so we made the selection. I'm now going to path, click on the control or command button and click on this square or rectangle and make a selection out of it. Go back to layers and select the layer where the brake caliper is actually in. Press Ctrl C, Command C and Ctrl V, Command V. Hide this layer and we now have the brake caliper. So we want to change the Lexus logo, or remove the Lexus logo. In this case it's pretty simple. We'll just use the rectangle tool, make a selection of around the logo and fill it up with black. That's pretty easy because the brake caliper is completely black, like this, and it's done. So Control T, press Shift again, hold it. Control, did I say T? I meant Control T or Command T and to transform it, and now we're gonna move it behind the wheel like this and drag it behind and copy it. I have absolutely no idea, but I think the brakes are normally twisted, so twist this around, move it to the front. And also over here, paste. Maybe a little smaller. This one as well. So you see there's some difference in the lighting, so we can change it as well. Press Ctrl L or Command L. We change the color of the rim itself. Control U or Command U and move it completely. Oh, actually this bronze looks nice. Minus 53 and minus 15. Control U for the other layer. Minus 53, minus 15. I forgot. And this is actually the end result, so you can see how easy it is to change some wheels and brake calipers and brake discs to completely change the style of your car. So I hope you like it, and if you want to check out the other tutorials as well to lower the car, go to my channel and yeah, you can watch the tutorial over there to lower the car, make it completely your own design. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up or like this video, or comment if you have any questions or have requests for new videos, and I see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.